On this episode of Large Person Wanderings, Tommy and I are up here at the Moffat Road Railroad Museum in Granby, Colorado. And this ought to be quite the experience, so come join us. This is a relatively new museum, so it's just getting going, so it'll be lots of fun. Looks like they have quite the little layout going here. So enjoy the show. Here's a diagram of what the original trackage looked like going through Granby. Nice model ski lift going.
Oh my.
Quite the bridge they got going on here.
Huh. This looks good. Boy, something. Permanent Christmas tree in Colorado. Oh yeah. This is what is that? Is this Lionel? Is that right?
Mostly Lionel. There's some MTH, K-Line, Williams, different O-scale.
Yeah.
Manufacturers, but it is all O-scale.
O-scale, nice.
148.
Sure.
You have trained?
Oh yeah, big end scale.
Ah.
Huge end scale fan, yes.
I worked in HO for a long time.
Yeah.
I did end scale, but it's too small for me.
I hear you. I learned to like end scale when you run out of room and you have to move. Because HO's wonderful, but it takes up a lot of space. A lot of space. Just like this stuff gets exponentially bigger. Nice. Oh, very good. Sure? Oh, it's a disease. It just... Nice. Oh, yeah. Sure? Oh, yeah. Looks like you probably got an arc with some of your wires crossed. Sure? Huh. Oh, yeah. That's on the... Oh, wow. Huh. easily.
Yeah. can't control those things like you think.
No.
I had an engineer's permit license. I drove for Durango, Silverton, and Coltec
Oh wow.
for a while, and I worked on steam locomotives a lot. Worked down at the Colorado Railroad Museum,
Sure. Oh, very good.
so I got real familiar with it. Then I helped.
So here we are on the outside, we actually get to see a real steam-powered railroad crane that they would use to pick up wrecks or pick up huge heavy objects. It's really neat. Here we are looking at a covered up over passenger car, which is the same style that ran on the Moffat Road originally when it was the line first opened. And you can see all the brake rigging underneath, and very soon we'll get to go see the interior of this thing, which is quite something.
Holy Jesus. Alright.
Considering that this car is well over 100 years old, this car has held up amazingly well. You can see how heavy duty everything on it was built. It's very heavy duty wood and linings around the windows, which is quite something.
Oh, God. Here and here.
Here you can see what the doors look like. And thank you for joining us on an episode of Large Person Wanderings. This is a fun and upcoming museum. Until next time, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'd love to hear from you. Comments down below. Tommy and I are signing out.